It's time for another recipe here on Realize Guyana, my friends. Home of traditional Guyanese recipes. And today's recipe is going to be for stewed pork. Yummy stewed pork. So we have our pork over there, my friends. We're going to be using some scallions, celery, onion, garlic, pepper, tomato paste of course, some black pepper and salt to taste. This is another yummy dish, guys. We have our pork curry recipe up already. So now we're going to have a stewed pork as well. As usual, the ingredients with measurements is going to be listed in the description box below the video. Please check there for that. So let's get started with this recipe, guys. So as usual, we're going to get our seasonings ready. For our stewed pork. So have you had stewed pork before? It's yummy, right? Getting our garlic ready, your onions. So this is our garlic and pepper. We're going to pound it in a mortar. So we have our celery, onions, scallions, and we have our garlic and pepper pounded here. It's time to cut up our pork now. So there our pork is all cut up. So we have everything else ready, guys. And we're going to wash our pork now with some vinegar. Alright, so it's ready to add our onions now. Our oil is hot. So we always do that for our onions a bit, release some flavors, get a bit of a color on our onions. Maybe about 30-40 seconds. So now we're going to add our celery and our scallion. And that's the garlic and pepper we pounded in the mortar. So you want to fry this up for a little bit. Release all those aromas. Build some flavors. So we're going to add our tomato paste as well now. So that's 1 heaping tablespoon. One more. And three heaping tablespoons of tomato paste. So once we add our tomato paste there now, guys, you're just going to fry this up for a little bit more. So we fry this up for a little bit more, as I said, and now we're going to add our pork. We're going to add some black pepper here now. And salt to taste. Give that a good mix. Alright, so we're going to cover this now, let it cook. So it's been about 5 minutes, guys. We're gonna give this a turn. It's looking good, looking good. So the pork has now released some juices and tomato paste and so on there. And everything is incorporated. So we're gonna let this fry up some more, evaporate a little bit more to build some flavors, and then we're gonna continue. Alright, so you see our pork has evaporated. There's only oil there now. So everything is absorbed into our pork, all the seasonings and so on. So we're gonna add some water now. So enough water about the level of your meat. And now we're gonna cover this back and let it cook. Alright my friends, so we're gonna give this another turn. Boiling away. Look at that. So looking good, looking good. Alright guys, so our pork is still hard, it's not boiled yet, so we're gonna add some water. In there. And we're gonna cover this back, let it boil, let it cook. See you in a bit. Alright my friends, so our stewed pork is finally done. So look at it there, looking yummy. So we added some water, as you can remember, and boiled it some more. So now we tested it, it's cooked, boiled. And it's evaporated enough, so we're just garnishing some scallion. And that's it. So that's it for this recipe, guys. For a stewed pork recipe. If you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click on the bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.